In this video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem bonus code in BC Game. So this is what the BC Game website looks like. Here is their actual guidebook that can help us with this case. So with this, you can actually redeem some codes in order to unlock extra rewards. To do so, let's head over and try to redeem them. Into this, you can see some codes that are available. You can first just sign into your BC account, and from in there, click on this bonus. This will open your desktop. Just enter right here your bonus and click on this redeem code right here. Once it's been pressed, this button will activate the reward, which should appear on your account instantly if the code is valid. If it's indeed valid, it can actually appear from there, and here are the types of redeem codes available. You have in here Crypto Boost, VIP perks, game-specific spins, as well as bet multipliers. So you can find those redeem codes if you actually expand or explore the promotions, the bonus, forums, as well as blog of PC. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.